In the last section, we went over making a new Angular controller or module. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of how a Angular controller test is scaffolded out and looks. So if we scroll to our website and we open up our dev test folder in the front end, which is in pages dev test, we can open the spec file, and we use Jasmine, so we have describe and it blocks, and these just group your tests and make the total number of expectations and test failures or tests that will run and either fail or pass. And here we initiate some variables for controller and scope, and then we have these two before each statements, which, as the name implies, these will execute before each individual it statement. And so we can have multiple it statements in here, and then each one will run a test, and before each it statement it'll do the before each, which in this case injects our Angular module right here, the whole my app module, which has all of our services and other modules in it. And then this injector section, which creates a new scope for us and actually creates the controller. This line right here initiates the controller and passes in scope to it. And then this is just a placeholder right now for the test to run. And this is where we will actually add our tests. Tests can obviously get a lot more complicated, but this is kind of the basic syntax of how they work. And in the next video, we will actually write some real tests.